don't know if he was punching it. I don't know if he was.
Make sure.
Yeah, let's make sure.
That's a clean funky truck though.
Yeah, that's a $20,000 truck, I'll bet. That's what I want mine to, how high I want mine.
This Dodge right behind us wants some. Yeah, he does. He wants some nastiness.
Come on over, faggot.
Over?
I think so.
No.
No, it's a gas.
Is it?
The POS
It's okay.
gas. Oh, it's Ruben.
Is it? Oh, God. I smoked that turd.